Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about fact DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. This is fact DAX function syntax. Fact and next add numbers column. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. I'm already prepared some data manually. So next I am click new column. Now I'm typing fact. Okay, see here, this is fact DAX function. Once you read this, returns the factorial of your number equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into. Next I'm add my table name and numbers column name. My name, my I have numbers, my IDs column. So now I'm adding my IDs. Press enter and close parenthesis. Let's check this DAX function. See this here, it's automatically showing factorial numbers. Factorial numbers means 1 into 2 into 3 into so on and so. Okay, this is fact DAX function in Power BI desktop.